The golden flower is the elixir of life. Literally, the golden ball or the golden pill, like we take a medication kind of pill. A elixir of life. All changes of spiritual consciousness depend upon the heart. Which heart? The heavenly heart, right? There's a secret charm which, although it works very accurately, is yet so fluid that it needs extreme intelligence and clarity, and the most complete absorption and tranquility. People without this highest degree of intelligence and understanding do not find the way to apply the charm. People without this utmost capacity for absorption and tranquility cannot keep fast hold of it. Now, we need to mobilize in ourselves that capacity that we have for absorption and tranquility if we are to move ahead with this method. This section explains the origin of the great way, the Tao of the world. The heavenly heart is the germ of the great way. Pattern, the germ, like a seed, has the pattern within it, the archetype. If you can be absolutely quiet, then the heavenly heart will spontaneously manifest itself.
Remember that little phrase in the Bible. Be still and know that I am God. Be still. This is the process of discipline that is so necessary in the meditative state. Step by step, bit by bit.
When the feeling stirs and expresses itself in the normal flow, man is created as primal creature. This creature abides between conception and birth in true space. When the one note of individuation enters into birth, human nature and life are divided in two. From this time on, if the utmost quietness is not achieved, human nature and life never see each other again.
It's an awful thought.
The physiology of that is the relationship of the Leiden and the pineal as the seat of the soul. At the time of conception, the first movement is this division. Students of embryology may not speak of it in this way exactly, but this is the first division of the two cells. And, as I understand it, there is literally a neuron, a cord, a physical link between the pineal and the cells of Leydig. That tie we may refer to even as the silver cord. Now, what happens then at the time of birth is that the consciousness seems to move to this level. The consciousness is invested more in the earth than the heaven aspect of herself. And the terms used are life and human nature. This is life, this is human nature. Unless there's the utmost absorption and tranquility, then life and human nature never see each other again.
In other words, meditation is a way to get them back together.
Exactly.
That's what you're doing, is bringing those two energies together.
And remember, those are the seat of the soul. That's the way to get that potential of the soul integrated. All right, again, on your chart with those 7 centers, you will see the beasts associated with the 4 lower centers, the calf, the man, the lion, the eagle. One of the archetypal symbols of the cells of Leydig is the man. It's the one of the 4 beasts that is not a critter of a different kind. Calf, lion, eagle, but a man. Why is one of them a man? Because it relates to that seat of the soul principle. Now, in the Trinity up here, one is also a man, the Christ center, which is the pineal. So this is the man in heaven, this is the man in earth. And in a certain sense, we can say this is the man in heaven, this is the woman in earth, and the integration is the marriage, the coming together, the onenessing of that. And that's part, I think, of the symbology and the revelation of the church being the bride, the Christ being the groom, and the marriage is that alchemical, mysterious coming together that you have in the oneness process of meditation.
Isn't it true down here, Herb, that is frequently shown as an androgynous man, both male and female, balance there at that level, because this is the center of the balance between the male-female principles in the body.